So, you can get it from uptown, you can get it from downtown, you can get it from the arcades, or you can get it from Amazon, eBay, or AliExpress. No, I tell you, not all shopping experience is the same. Just like not all shipping companies are the same. Do you still go and join a line at your shipping company to get your items? Why not have them send it to you? Why not have it delivered to you? Throughout the course of this video, we're going to take short breaks and I'm going to show you happy customers receiving their packages. And we're with one of our really good customers again. Just to deliver one package today. She normally ships a whole lot of packages, but today she only wants this little thing that we take into her as speedily as possible. But before we go, tell me what you think about her service.
Oh, always fast and reliable. Very reliable. Don't have to go out anywhere to collect.
Right.
That's the best part of it.
That's the most convenient part.
Come to me and it's
yeah. In the comfort of your home.
Comfort of my home.
Or you can go to our Instagram page where you can view hundreds of customers receiving their packages. Hundreds of happy customers, I tell you. Guess what? You don't shop online?
Yes, I do shop online, but
don't tell me who you ship with because you're not as good as. So how you get the things them from foreign?
I send them to my people in America and then they'll take it to me.
Very beautiful Anatomy. And on the delivery trail again and again. Now we are with One Dimple. No, that's just her name. What's the right name? Other than the One Dimple. So I have a delivery for this. As you can see, it's a whole lot of big boxes. Whole lot. This time though, she's not the one that did the shopping. She's collecting for a friend and neighbor. And we're happy to take it to her. Make sure that she customer get everything and come in One Dimple. Tell me, does your company give you live update on every movement your package make? I mean, text messages and emails. We do that. Does your company offer you the ability to pay via Zelle, PayPal, a Visa debit card, a credit card, or even a bank transfer? We do that.
As you know, we are your friendly neighborhood shipping company that allows you to purchase your items overseas and get them delivered to your doorstep here in Jamaica. Where my camera lady I walk from me, come close to me, I don't have any mic. Come close to me. So guys, listen, if you have your items overseas, say you're a returning resident and you want to ship some stuff from maybe IKEA or Walmart or even Home Depot, your big items, no problem at all. Come to me, camera lady, because I do not have a mic. No problem at all. We will allow you to ship your items from overseas and get them delivered to your doorstep here in Jamaica. We're going to clear customs, deal with all of the hassle. We're going to get transportation and bring it to your doorstep here in Jamaica.
Now, you should want to be a happy customer as well. Does your shipping company give you the ability to combine lots of small packages just for you to save on your shipping costs in one package? We do that. It's called combined shipping. Come on, you should have a company that does that for you. Does your company deliver your packages day in, day out for years, on time, all the time? We do that. We give text alert, we give emails alert. Sign up for a free shipping account with us and we'll do all that for you. You can be one of our very happy customers as well. Does your company give you the chance to ship 4 packages free every year? We do that. Ship 4 packages every year, 1 every 3 months, free. I am not talking about the first year. Every year from sign up, once you are a platinum member, which is a free membership, you get 4 packages free. Free shipping. Now, go ahead, click on the link below and sign up for a free shipping account with us. For free shipping.